Welcome back, everyone. Crypto Patrick here. I hope you guys are all enjoying your Sunday. Today I want to show you guys we have a huge downturn in the market. Everything is in red. It's like basically it's like a ocean of red today. And I want to talk about Ripple and a couple of favorable news that just came out. Like today, the Ripple CEO said he's speaking at the Yahoo Finance Crypto Summit in NYC. So I want to get a little bit into that and kind of just show you guys why it's good to buy Ripple right now. I think it's still a really good buy. And yeah, you can see all these ones are great buys right now. You want to buy on the dips. Anyone following my channel that has never watched before, definitely subscribe and like. And write a comment below and put your Ripple address because I'm going to give away some Ripple at the end of this week coming up. And I'm going to do it for all my videos. So, yeah, just getting into it right now, guys. Let's take a quick look at Ripple. And Ripple is down 7.72%. I mean, it's been, people got in this for super cheap. Right now, the market cap is $71 billion. Trade volume is 1 billion. Look at right here. We got, yeah, 1,900,000,000. Circulating supply is 38 million or 38 billion. And then the total supply is still about 100 billion. Remember that as you use Ripple, it decreases in supply. So the more that gets used, the more that gets decreased. Let's take a look at the month of Ripple. Okay, so back here in December, it was about 73 cents, and then we saw a high of about 384. And then after the coin market cap took the Korean won off, and that basically the minister of South Korea, they thought that they were inflating the price. So we saw a huge dip in the market to about 202, and then if you look today, it's about 184. Well, what I think is going to happen, guys, is we saw a huge growth in Ripple. There was a lot of favorable news. Then the coin market cap fiasco happened. It flew all the way down, and now it's sitting at 184. I don't think it's going to go below 160. I think that's like the safety, basically like the safety blanket of where it's going to stay. And it's just a good trend. It's a good idea to buy right now. One of the things that's going on with it is the CEO of Brad Garlinghouse is speaking at Yahoo Finance. This is on the Reddit, guys. If you go look at the Reddit, I think this is pretty big news because if you look at this agenda, this Yahoo Finance, they have a lot of big players that are in here. They have, I think Coinbase is in attendance. JP Morgan's in attendance. It's like $400 a ticket. This is going to be more favorable news that's going to push up the market. Also on Monday, all these people from Wall Street are going to get payouts, so that could boost up the market. A lot of people investing back into just like the whole market. So if you look right here on the speaking event, you can see Brad Garlinghouse, and for all you new people, this is the CEO of Twitter or of Ripple, and he is he's going to be one of the speakers. They have a lot of different people, like, well, I'll show you, there's a couple other ones. There's like the Coinbase guy. Look at JP Morgan, head of blockchain. And that's pretty funny that JP Morgan is actually, they have their own blockchain thing now. So the banks know that they can't basically escape crypto. They can't hide from it. So they're starting to, you know, they're using XRP and different people in different systems. They're starting to incorporate it into their own thing. Even Bank of America just released like a patent a little while ago for a certain technology for crypto. Look at the Coinbase vice president is going to be there, Adam White. This is going to be big news, guys, because they're going to live stream it, and it's on February 7th. It's gonna add to more growth adoption for what's going on. Here's another article on it. I think it's like right. I think I have it over here somewhere. Let me see if I got it. I know I had an article pulled up somewhere. Well, let me see. Well, basically, it's just big news, guys, because this is going to definitely help it out. The more favorable news that happens for Ripple, the more that we're going to see the price increase. And if you look on Ripple, people are just saying, a lot of people are just talking about it right now. There's a little bit of news on this right now, but not a lot. I think we still are going to hit a $5 Ripple. It's not going to happen. It might not happen like we predicted at the end of January, but within the next couple months, there's a lot of favorable news. The MoneyGram announcement just happened. We've seen a lot of just rises in like basically everything that's been happening lately. Let me show you guys one thing here. Okay, so I was using the free account of this one right here, but it's not showing. Let me go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, so if it's at 183 right now, and we see more like MoneyGram and Western Union and different people, start, if it gets added to Coinbase, any big favorable news, it's going to push this back up. I think with this Yahoo announcement that they're gonna do with Yahoo Finance, this big live stream they're gonna do, I think it's gonna get way more adoption, more investors. A lot of bankers are gonna see it. There's a lot of people that use Yahoo Finance. I mean, Yahoo Finance is like, I've looked at it for a lot of things back in the day that weren't crypto. There's a lot of regular investors on Wall Street and stuff that might start investing in more banks. We know that Ripple has 60 bank partners. They have 100 partners. There's a lot of big partners that basically coming into the Ripple space. So I think we will hit a $5 Ripple. If it goes up to $7, guys, you don't quote me on this, then it will be higher than Bitcoin. We'll see a way bigger market cap. I mean, look at the jumps that it's already done. We've already seen it go up to 272, then go down to 205, and this is all because of a lot of favorable news that happened, and then just that whole market, this whole jump down right here was all the coin market cap getting adjusted for the inflation, and now it's starting to balance out. It's down right now, and a lot of people, I think you should hold if you already have it, and if this is going to allow for a lot of new investors, guys. So anyone holding Ripple right now, having this downturn being at 181, this allows for people to come in at a good price and potentially make profit. It's not going to just rise where everyone's just going to make, everyone that comes in is like, everyone that's like bought down here when it was 72 cents, or like way back when Ripple like 3 months ago was like, I think it was like 3 cents, or you can see it at the all-time high. I think back in January, it was like really, really low. Look at 20 cents. Here's the year date. I know it was like super low. Look at 0.006. It wasn't even a cent. And then you got up to 3 cents in April. So back in April, when people got in for 3 cents, I mean, that was huge. But now looking at it, what it's doing right now, this is the time that more people are going to, this is going to allow for more investors to come in. It's going to make Ripple way bigger. It is a real cryptocurrency, guys. It's being used and accepted by a lot of banks. We're going to see debit cards coming out. Already the Centra card, it's being used. If it overtakes Bitcoin, then we've seen it jump from 1 to 2. We've seen it jump from 2 to 3. The high of about 330. That was the peak was about 220. It's on the downward trend right now, but this just allows for more people to buy on those dips. If you're new to this, guys, definitely subscribe and like my video, but make sure to only buy on the dips. Try not to buy things when it's going up like that, because these dips always happen and it just always consolidates and goes higher every time. We'll never see it go below that 160. That's going to be the support level for it. Just around like 160, which will show. Yeah, I don't think it's going to dip any below 160. That's definitely the price point where it'll stay. We will probably see a $5 Ripple, guys, with more favorable news and things going on with it. We know that this is really huge for live streaming. A lot of like companies are going to be watching it. From Bitcoin and blockchain to ICOs, Yahoo Finance will lead a series of conversations with CEOs, engineers, policymakers, and legal experts on the growing market and investor interest in cryptocurrencies and technology behind them. Where are these digital assets heading? How can everyday investors buy in safely on the dips? Only 300 tickets are available for the live broadcast. Reserve your seat now. This is in New York City, guys. This is going to be huge. Here's the agenda. You guys can look at this right now on Yahoo. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to read this. But yeah, I think Ripple is still a really good buy, guys. This is the time to come in if you're new. Even if you're looking at this and you're holding other cryptocurrencies and you weren't a big fan of Ripple, you can make money on Ripple. I mean, the whole point of this is to make money. Yeah, I believe in other cryptocurrencies too. I just did one on Neblio and different altcoins too. But this is a cryptocurrency that we know is going to do good. It has a very high supply, which is overall, that's not good when you look at a market. But the thing is, it's getting widely adopted. And Bitcoin can go up too, but I think it will overtake Ethereum again with more favorable news. I've been talking about Ripple with favorable news for a little while now, guys, and I think it'll be really, really good as long as we know the supply is going to eventually decrease, and Ripple's holding 55% of the supply. But at 186 and 7.72% down, it is a good buy right now because it is going to go up. Even if you're like kind of anti-bank, anti-government, they're just using XRapid. It's like Ripple itself is a good company, and they have good tech. You know what I mean? They're getting used by a lot of money institutions. We know that they're solving a lot of problems. For anyone new that hasn't seen Ripple and you're watching this video right now, I'm just going to show you guys why it is a good technology. It's the technology behind it, guys. The team, they're doing good marketing. They're getting a lot of partnerships. It's down right now, and this is definitely a good time to buy. World's fastest enterprise for a global solution in blockchain payments. Today's payments don't cut it with banks. 3 to 5 days to settle. Unreliable, unacceptable. They're expensive. You know, even Bitcoin's getting kind of expensive right now. They haven't come out with the Lightning Network. Look at, they have a growing network. Look at all these partners. They have a ton of partners. UPS. You always want to look at the partners. How much money is invested in the company, the team behind it, how much marketing they're doing. There's a lot of things that are going on with it. Banks are using it. It's just getting accepted worldwide. I believe in a lot of other currencies, but I think Ripple is good. That's why I'm going to do a giveaway for Ripple on this video too, and my other ones, guys. So make sure you comment and hit those post notifications, like, subscribe my video. And if you guys are just watching this for the first time and you want to invest into a bunch of different currencies, but you don't want to keep investing a bunch of your own money, make sure you get in Bitcoin mining. I have a link in the description of how you do that. Join BitClub Network. I'll put a video in there too where you can make $20,000 a month and start investing in other currencies. That's what I do. I mine Bitcoin and I use BitClub Network, and it is the best, the highest paying program. And it's a brick and mortar business. It's real. It's less risky that way, and you can mine for life off like a $600 investment. So you can potentially mine for life off this investment. That's the best way to do it. That's what we teach people, you guys. I want everyone to like live a good life and not have to work their whole like days and have the bank screw them over. So the way to do that is we have to be mining Bitcoin. You know, I'm mining Litecoin too on Genesis, but they're out of contracts. But I think BitClub is the best. Hashflare, it's okay, but yeah, that's the way to start investing in ICOs. It's like make daily profits of Bitcoin. You know, they also have referral programs. You can do that too. It's just a good way to get started. But yeah, you guys, I still believe in Ripple a lot. I think we will hit $5. Maybe not at the end of January like predicted, but in the next couple months. If it goes up to 7, then we're going to see it overtake Bitcoin for sure. But Bitcoin could go up too, but I think it could overtake it. Right now, Ripple, it's at $70 billion. Look at it. And this one is 226 at Bitcoin. So it would have to do, if it went up 3 times, that would be 221. So a little over 4 times, guys. That would if it goes up 4x, it'll overtake Bitcoin if Bitcoin doesn't go up and keeps going down. Obviously, Ethereum's a good buy. It's been going up a lot too. Cardano, I believe in a lot. Litecoin. I'm mining Litecoin right now, so I do Litecoin giveaways. I think Litecoin has a debit card coming out. That'll do really good. IOTA had a lot of hype around it and died down, but you know, I think IOTA's still pretty good. I've been mining Dash. That's good. Tron had a huge market cap of 10 billion. Now it dropped down to 5 billion, which is still pretty good. But yeah, you guys, that's my video on this. I think that live stream, I'm going to watch it. I think it's a good idea to keep an eye out when people like Yahoo Finance and these huge companies that have been around for a while start pushing Ripple and start having Brad Garlinghouse on there. It's going to drive the price up. I've been talking about there's favorable news coming out for Ripple every week with new partners and everything. So Ripple is a good investment for all you people watching. And if you're watching my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe. You know, hit those post notifications. Definitely do a comment on my video because I will give away some more Ripple this week. I'm going to do a giveaway video on Friday, and I'm going to do it for all my videos. I'm just giving away Ripple this week. But yeah, much love to you guys. I hope you guys make a lot of money. I'm not a financial investor, but this is my opinion I try to show the news and where I think it's going. And I hang out with a lot of people that are like millionaires in this, and they flip ICOs every day. So yeah, definitely investing in Bitcoin mining is the first start to get paid daily profits. Then you're investing. You don't keep investing your own money. You get paid in crypto, and that's way, way, way better. But yeah, that's a $600 investment for BitClub Network. And hit me up on Facebook if you guys got any questions. Much love. I'm going to end it with this song, and I'll make some more videos coming out. This is just a quick update video on Ripple, because Ripple is one of my favorite currencies to update. All right, peace, guys. Have a good day.